Hello friends, welcome to FoodyRulz. Today's recipe is this perfect raita made at home. I won't say this as perfect one because different regions have different recipes of different raitas. So this is a standard raita recipe which is usually served with pulavs, biryanis, parathas and sometimes even with rotis and chapatis. So to make that, I've taken 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions into a small vessel in which I'm going to make this raita. So then I'm going to add finely chopped tomatoes. So the measurement of these vegetables can be according to your taste. You can add less or more. That's totally in your hands. Then add one finely chopped chili. Make sure that chili is too spicy. It makes good flavor. Then add finely chopped cilantros or coriander. Then black salt per taste. This recipe contains just 1/4 teaspoon. Then add a bit of salt, then pepper per taste. Mix all these things and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, if we let them to sit, all the juices of these vegetables comes out and seriously provide you the good taste. Seriously, believe me. After 10 minutes, add 200 ml of curd or yogurt. Curd is ideal. You can also use yogurt, Greek yogurt. So if you want it to be more thick, use Greek yogurt. If you want to be a little thin and thick like this, so then you can use a normal curd. So I'm using like no local brand. It's known as Heritage curd. So just mix everything and that's it. World's best raita will be in front of you. So you can also add a little bit of lemon zest or orange zest. So you can serve it with parathas. You can serve it with biryani, pulavs. Also you can eat it with bread. That tastes so good. So don't forget to subscribe my channel FoodyRulz, hit that like button, also comment down how it came for you, and also I'll be back with another different recipes, unique recipes every week. Bye.